Hey guys, it's Allie Lily of Lash Anarchist. Today I'm going to be showing you the mapping that I did on this series of videos, the strip lash look. I chose this map today because my husband, whose lashes I'm working on, has a very narrow eyelid, so I didn't have a ton of room for a lot of peaks in this wispy strip lash look, so I only did about 7 or 8. And then I wanted to go really short because he doesn't have a lot of lid space either. If you want to watch the full video start to finish, go ahead and click up here. If you like this video and you want to see more, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and share it to all your friends. All right, let's get started. So today I'm going to be mapping a basic soft texture set on my husband here, and I like to map texture a little bit different than I do my other sets. I like to map out where I'm going to put those peaks first, so my really pointy, like highest point of my set, and you'll see what I mean here in just a moment. Right now I'm just taping up his eyelid and I'm adjusting a little bit. So if you use tape, you're going to want to put an iPad over that tape because it gives you a really big, nice surface area to map. And I don't map every single time, but I do map the first time I see any client, and I'll just snap a picture so I can look at it next time. So I'm just mapping out my peaks, and like I said in my other video, he has a really small lid space, so I'm only putting like 6. I might add one more peak in there once I get started, but I'm going pretty short. 12 is going to be my longest peak, and then I'm just going down in size from there. This is like a basic doll shape. So 9, 10, 11, 2 12s in the middle, and another 11 on the end. And then I'm going down 3 millimeters in between. This is really important to go at least 2 to 3 millimeters down, or else you won't see a difference and those peaks won't stand out. So again, today for this mapping of the strip lash look or a wispy set, I chose to do it a little bit shorter than I normally would, just because my husband doesn't have a lot of lid space and that would look the best on him. And then also I didn't want to do too many high peaks because his lid space is pretty narrow and it doesn't look good when you overdo it. All of the products that I use in this video today are listed down below. If you like this video and you want me to keep them coming, go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel and share to all your friends. Thanks for watching!